Hello all. So today we'll share you one project which has saved my daily 10 minutes. So previously I used to assign calling seva of my one of the organization named Art of Living via the Excel sheet daily. So daily I have to download the leads from the Facebook and then assign them a calling on a daily basis. And then people will do calling and write a calling response. So daily at a particular time I have to maybe in morning 8 or 9 I have to assign the calling. Fetch the leads from the Facebook, add it in a Google Sheet, and the people who have not done calling yesterday, assign those calling again back. So this whole was a manual process. So 1 year back, I have automated this. How? I've created a make flow. So make gives 1,000 credits for a monthly basis on a free. So I'm currently using a free version of it. First, it will make a daily at 8 o'clock. It will fetch the Facebook leads. It will aggregate it, do a bulk entry in the Google Sheet. It will also give me the Telegram message that this many leads is being received from last Monday. And then later it will just make a HTTP call. This HTTP call is a Google app script. What it does, it first go to the last day. So today is 1st of May. So last day is 30 April. We'll go to last day. The people who have not done the calling, it is governed by the column named as calling response. So the people has not done calling, it will mark it as reassigned in the particular sheet, add them again in a new sheet called as with the current date. Let's suppose this Nidhi was not being called by one of my volunteers. So it is being reassigned today to Bhagyasri. Yesterday it was assigned to Seema. And the leads which came from the Facebook today will go in this pending leads. So this my make flow does a bulk Google Sheet entry in the pending leads workbook. So this has automated my full flow. Now daily 8 o'clock, I just receive a mail of the confirmation key calling is being assigned. The total number of the leads I get on my Telegram bot. So from last 1 year, I'm using it for a free and I'm happy that I've automated this process. You can similarly automate your task. First, you have to identify what all tasks you are doing on daily basis, which you feel can be automated and you can automate it.